What we're learning, analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. PIRX analyzes patterns in your training history to detect recurring behaviors and their effects. Insights start as observational when first detected, move to emerging as more evidence appears, and become supported when the pattern is confirmed across multiple weeks of data. Shows your structural identity, a label describing your runner type. Below are insight cards with a title, description, a status badge, observational, emerging, or supported, and a confidence bar showing how sure PIRX is about each insight. 1. The learning module runs periodically as a celery task. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.